Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best bicycle conversion kit of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box.
Product 1. Product name, 24V36V250W Electric Conversion Kit for Common Bike. The 24V36V250W Electric Conversion Kit for Common Bike is designed to transform traditional bicycles into electric-powered vehicles with ease. This kit is tailored for common bikes, offering a seamless upgrade for those seeking a convenient and eco-friendly mode of transportation. With its left-chain drive configuration, the conversion kit ensures compatibility with various bike models, allowing users to maintain their preferred gear systems. Featuring a 250W motor, this conversion kit delivers ample power to assist cyclists during their rides, especially on inclines or long distances. The 24V or 36V power options provide flexibility, catering to different preferences and requirements for speed and range. By integrating with the existing bike derailleur system, the kit ensures smooth gear shifting and enhanced riding experience. Overall, Product 2: Abicycling Waterproof A Bike Conversion Kit. The Abicycling Waterproof A Bike Conversion Kit is a comprehensive solution for transforming traditional bicycles into electric-powered ones. This kit offers versatility by providing options for 700C front or rear wheel conversion, ensuring compatibility with various bike models. It features a robust hub motor with power options ranging from 500W to 1500W, catering to different performance preferences and regulatory requirements. One standout feature of this conversion kit is its waterproof design, which enhances durability and reliability, allowing riders to confidently navigate diverse weather conditions without compromising performance. This aspect is particularly advantageous for cyclists who frequently encounter rain or wet terrain during their rides. With this kit, converting a standard bicycle into an electric one becomes more accessible, offering an economical alternative to purchasing a pre-built electric bike. Additionally, users have the flexibility to choose between front and rear wheel configurations based on their riding preferences and needs. Overall, the Abicycling Waterproof A Bike Conversion Kit offers an efficient and user-friendly solution for individuals seeking to upgrade their bicycles into electric-powered vehicles, while prioritizing durability and adaptability in various weather conditions. Product 3. Product name: AW Electric Bike Conversion Kit. The AW Electric Bike Conversion Kit offers a convenient solution for transforming your traditional bicycle into an electric-powered vehicle. Featuring a robust 48V 1000W motor, this kit provides powerful performance suitable for various terrains and riding conditions. The kit includes a 26-inch front or rear wheel, making it compatible with standard bike setups. One notable feature of this conversion kit is its dual-mode controller, offering flexibility in how the motor operates. Users can choose between twist throttle or thumb throttle control, providing options to suit personal preferences or riding styles. This versatility allows riders to adjust their e-bike experience to best fit their needs. With the AW Electric Bike Conversion Kit, individuals can enjoy the benefits of electric assistance without needing to purchase a dedicated electric bike. This kit offers an affordable and eco-friendly way to upgrade existing bicycles, enhancing their capabilities and extending their lifespan. Whether for commuting, leisure riding, or outdoor adventures, this conversion kit can transform ordinary bikes into efficient and powerful electric vehicles. Product 4. Product name: Pexmore Electric Bike Conversion Kit. The Pexmore Electric Bike Conversion Kit offers an efficient solution for transforming traditional bicycles into electric ones, providing an upgraded riding experience. With a power output of 48V and 1200W, this kit is designed to fit 26-inch wheels, making it compatible with a wide range of bike models. Whether you want to convert your front or rear wheel, this kit provides flexibility to suit your preference. One notable feature of the Pexmore kit is its 3-mode controller, which enhances control and customization options for riders. The kit includes a pedal assist system, PAS, an LCD display, and a twist throttle, offering riders different ways to engage with the electric assistance. The PAS ensures a seamless transition between pedaling and electric power, promoting a natural and intuitive riding experience. Meanwhile, the LCD display provides real-time information such as speed, distance, and battery level, empowering riders with essential data for their journey. Additionally, the twist throttle offers instant acceleration, giving riders an extra boost when needed. Overall, the Pexmore electric bike conversion kit presents a comprehensive package for individuals seeking to electrify their bicycles. Its powerful motor, versatile controller, and user-friendly features make it a compelling choice for those looking to upgrade their cycling adventures. Whether for commuting, leisure riding, or tackling challenging terrains, this kit provides a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional bicycles. Product 5. Product name EMBN 80 cubic centimeters bicycle engine kit. The EMBN 80 cubic centimeters bicycle engine kit offers a convenient solution for transforming standard bicycles into motorized vehicles. This kit includes a 2-stroke motor, designed to fit 26 to 28-inch bikes, allowing riders to enjoy the benefits of motorized transportation while still utilizing their favorite bicycle frame. One notable feature of this kit is the inclusion of a wired digital computer, providing riders with essential information about their speed, distance traveled, and other metrics. This addition enhances the overall riding experience, offering greater control and awareness for users. With its black color scheme, the EMBN 80 cubic centimeters bicycle engine kit not only adds functionality to bicycles but also maintains a sleek and stylish aesthetic. Whether for commuting, leisurely rides, or exploring new terrains, this kit offers versatility and convenience for riders looking to enhance their cycling experience.